So I'm going to be explaining the evaporation experiment with my hands. So first I'm going to start off with showing the uncovered from group A and then the tall plastic cylinder with group B, because we know that both of those had very little surface air exposure or none at all. So those water molecules started off looking just like this, like a liquid. And so, but since there was no surface air exposure with the covered and very little with the cylinder, the water molecules did not evaporate. If they did, they may have been very small, but they were still trapped inside because there was that little bit of surface air exposure. So these molecules did not evaporate out into the air. However, in comparison with the uncovered in group A and then with the wide aluminum circle pan in group B, these water molecules still started off like this, but however, since there was a lot of surface air exposure to the outside air with both, the water molecules began to turn into water vapor, and they were evaporated out into the air. And so that's how you can show it with your hand motions, is how they started like this, then they evaporated out into water vapor and went out into the air. But like I said with the first one, that whenever there was little surface area, they kind of just stayed like this in water and no water was able to escape out into the air.